Land for Wildlife Central Australia is a volunteer nature conservation program that supports and encourages landholders to improve biodiversity-rich hotspots in the peri-urban and rural region around Alice Springs. The Land for Wildlife sister program, Garden for Wildlife, is aimed at supporting urban landholders on town blocks. Land for Wildlife and Garden for Wildlife engages with landholders from diverse regions of Central Australia to work towards a common goal of biodiversity conservation by providing information resources, expert advice, encouragement and ongoing support. The team of experts at Land for Wildlife conduct property assessments for our members, which includes a visual inspection of the property and identification of native and introduced flora. Potential wildlife inhabiting a property is identified through direct sightings and observation of traces, tracks and scats. The face-to-face consult engages landholders and improves their ability to tackle land management issues, which in turn results in increased weed removal and feral animal control. Members are provided with a detailed report that encourages them to revegetate with local native plants, minimise water use through clever planting and installation of irrigation, prevent erosion, remove feral animals, and to conserve habitat on their property. Land for Wildlife is active in the Central Australian region, engaging the general public about nature conservation, restoration and land management issues by attending community events and networking forums. Land for Wildlife assists several local groups such as the Chuampa Women Rangers, Ndaria Junior Rangers, Bachelor Institute and various schools through the Desert Smart Eco Fair to learn about conservation and land management by hosting a range of workshops. Workshops that are run by Land for Wildlife assist landcare groups and individuals to build skills and knowledge regarding important natural resource management issues. This knowledge is then used by the participants in NRM activities to increase the quality of the landcare that they provide. Land for Wildlife manages the NT Register of Significant Trees, which was initiated by the National Trust NT. The NT Register of Significant Trees raises awareness about the importance of trees from a cultural, historical, botanical and aesthetic point of view. The register in turn helps to protect individual trees that are significant by raising awareness of their importance. Recent upgrades to the register saw it go online, where community members can now view the significant trees in an interactive map. Each tree listing includes a biography, images and a downloadable PDF fact sheet. Land for Wildlife is responsible for the continuation of the spotted turtle dove trapping program in Alice Springs and assists members with feral cat trapping, loaning traps out to community members free of charge. From 2015 to 2017, Land for Wildlife operated a domestic cat monitoring and awareness program, which involved GPS tracking the movement of pet cats, conducting video surveillance and scat analysis. This project has been an effective method of engaging domestic cat owners and the larger community about the impact of allowing their pet to roam, resulting in an increase in conversation around responsible cat ownership. The program has enabled several participants to manage their cat more appropriately for the protection of wildlife. In a climate where habitat degradation is of increasing concern and there are limited funds to support landcare initiatives, it is often up to individuals to conserve and restore habitat in any manner that they are able. Land for Wildlife works with over 200 members in the community to achieve natural resource management outcomes on private property. Members include regular urban and rural landholders, businesses, shared land spaces, pastoral stations, community-owned spaces and schools. Connecting properties contribute to the construction of nature corridors in the Macdonald Ranges bioregion, allowing wildlife to move between hotspots. Land for Wildlife provides an outstanding avenue to support motivated members of the public to achieve successful natural resource management outcomes in Central Australia. Thank you to all of our members for continued protection of habitat in this precious semi-arid ecosystem.